In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic face edits with Gemini, specifically focusing on transforming aspects like dress, pose, and overall look. This tutorial will guide you through each step, making it easy to enhance your images seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First off, open your internet browser and navigate to Google. This is your starting point to access Gemini, a fantastic tool for photo editing and transformation. Once you're on Google, type Gemini in the search bar and hit enter. You'll see several search results, but look for the official Google Gemini site. Click on it to visit the website where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the Gemini platform, you'll see an interface to start your editing adventure. Look for a plus sign, which is typically the universal icon for uploads. Click on this icon to upload the photo you would like to edit. Remember, the quality of your original image can influence the final result, so choose a high-resolution photo for the best outcome. Once your photo is uploaded, it's time to add a touch of creativity and personalization. You will see a prompt field. Here, you can input a specific description or ask for improvements. For instance, you might type in suggestions such as enhance the lighting, adjust the color tones, or even change the hairstyle. Be specific about how you want the look to be improved. After entering your prompts, move on to the Tools section. This area offers various functions to refine and enhance your image further. Browse through the available options and select Create Images. This feature allows you to apply the transformations and generate new visual perspectives based on your prompts. With your selections and prompts entered, you're ready to bring your vision to life. Click on the Submit button to begin the processing of your edits. This might take a few moments, depending on the changes you've requested, so a little patience goes a long way here. Once the process is complete, you'll be amazed to see how your look and adjustments have taken effect. The Gemini tool uses advanced algorithms to recreate and enhance images in a realistic manner, turning your original photo into a polished, refined version that reflects the enhancements you specified. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and some creative input, you can transform your photos into entirely new renditions with transformed outfits, poses, and looks. This concludes our tutorial on using Gemini for realistic face edits. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different photos and prompts to master this amazing tool. Thanks for joining me, and happy editing!